Hey guys, so today I'm going to be talking about how I plan on setting up my library for my students for the 2019-2020 school year. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, you kind of already saw like a little sneak peek as to how I plan on doing this. So today, all of those, well, it's just two boxes. Those two boxes are just books. So that's what we're going to focus on today. I'm going to take everything out of there and I am going to be showing you guys in a few seconds how I plan on organizing them with the bins that I have from Dollar Tree, as well as some stickers and a resource that I got from TPT. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me now because that is where I first posted about this resource. Again, I'm going to go ahead and link that down below in the description box, so make sure that you always check that because I always try and link any helpful links for you down there. Let me show you the resource that I'm going to be using. Okay guys, so these are actually Avery label stickers. These are not the actually Avery brand because I got them at Walmart just to save a couple of dollars. I'll link these exact labels down below, but I ended up cutting these up because this is what it's going to look like once it's in the book. So once the students check out a book, which I'll have a system in place, I'm not really sure how, so if you guys could like leave me any comments below on how you have your classroom checkout process or system, I'd really love to know that because I'm still not sure. This is just more so how I'm setting it up. So they'll grab a book, they'll find the bin that has that exact same sticker, and that's where they'll put it in. And that is pretty much it. So this is what it'll look like when you print it off, but then like I said, you just cut them out like this, and there you go, you have all these stickers. So yeah, I'm about to just label all of these, and I have this mess over here, and I got all of these bins from Dollar Tree. I need to get rid of those because that's bothering me, but all of these bins are just the green bins from Dollar Tree, and I need to print off more of those labels, like the book labels, so that they can all have a label so that students know exactly where to take them. So let me put my phone down and let's get started on the beast. Okay, so I just finished taking off that sticker of those bins, but as you can see, I have only a few that are actually labeled because those are some that a teacher gave me, so those are good to go. So I'm going to focus on finding books that belong to these bins. And then all the other ones obviously are blank and empty because I need to print out a label for them. So I'm going to focus on these 9, and then hopefully this week my plan is to just finish organizing all of the books that I have. So yeah, I'm gonna put my phone down now and focus on these. Okay, so something that I didn't think about was how I'm going to sort out the picture books that I have, because I do have quite a bit. I'm mainly focused on getting chapter books, but I do have quite a bit of picture books. So I think I'll probably, I don't know, like, should I just make a bin dedicated to picture books and then have those have their own label, or should I just put them all in one big bin and say these are picture books? I don't know. I didn't think about this. So I'm probably for now just going to focus on getting my all of like my chapter books labeled and in the bins, and then I'll worry about all my picture books later on. That's what I'm gonna do. So this bin is pretty much full already, so I'm gonna have to use another one, and I have another one right there, so that shouldn't be a problem. But this is essentially what it'll look like when a student comes up here to grab from this specific bin. They'll know that, okay, this is a graphic novel, so I'm gonna match it with the sticker. See what I did? Yeah, it's super easy. Another thing that I did was I just wrote down my name on the book in case the kids take this to, like, I don't know, recess or something, and they leave it out on the playground. If a teacher or student finds it, they know that this belongs to me. And I did that on all of them. So let me go ahead and put this up. I need another one, so here we go with this bin. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all that I'm going to do for the next 4 hours. I have dinner with my coworkers at 5, so I'm just going to get as much done as I can over here, and I'm not going to film everything else just because it's going to get boring. I just wanted you guys to get the gist as to how I'm going to be setting up my library for the school year. I ended up cutting all of these. I just have one more sheet, as you can see right here, but I cut all of these just to make it easier on myself. And yeah, I'm not gonna film everything else, like I said, because we'd be here for 4 hours, and I don't think you want to see all of that. It's the same process or the same steps over and over. I think that's all that I have to say. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Elementary School Moments, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Leave me a comment down below as to how do you set up your classroom library. Is it something similar to me, or is it something completely different? One thing that I have to keep in mind is that I do have to level out my books by Lexiles, so I have to leave some books out in order to put those in those bins. If I don't have a lot of books, I guess, that I'm going to level out in that way, then I'm just going to ask my literacy coach if she could give me some books, but I think I should be good with that. I'm gonna do as much as I can with this, and then, like I said, I'm gonna start thinking about what books I'm going to level out, and I think that is all. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. Go ahead and also follow me on Instagram at Elementary School Moments, as well as check out the description box below where you'll find any helpful links. See you next time.